there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and broker of Maiga Homes. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. So, let me introduce today's topic and the fifth video in the Best of Canton series. What is a charter school versus a private school? We started off this series talking about the Canton public schools. Today, we'd like to tell you about charter and private schools in the Canton area. The first question you might ask is, what is the difference between charter and private? Well, charter schools are still part of the local school district. Though they may be managed by private organizations, they are funded by your tax dollars. They adhere to the same student achievement standards as the public schools, but there is more freedom in curriculum, enrollment process, and education styles based on their founding contract. Private schools are totally independent from the local school district. They do not receive any tax dollars or state funding and are usually funded by parents via tuition. They can set up a curriculum that is unique to that school and are not required to adhere to state standards. Many private schools are affiliated with a specific religion. The second question is, do the teachers have to meet the same licensing requirements? Well, for charter schools, they may set up their own requirements for their teachers, but they must also meet licensing requirements set by the State Department of Education. Private schools, on the other hand, do not have to require teaching certificates for educators. The third question is, which school provides the best education? Well, it depends on what's important to you. If class size is associated with a better learning experience for students, then the private school is the most likely to have smaller classes. The charter school may have smaller class sizes than public schools, but that is not necessarily a guarantee. Both schools have some freedom in setting their education goals, and charter schools are aligned closer to public schools in the student requirements. Private schools have more leeway with those requirements. The fourth question is, what is the enrollment process? Potential students have to apply to attend Canton charter schools. Applications received during open enrollment, similar to school of choice, will be given equal consideration after the closing date through a lottery. Applications are accepted after the open enrollment period. Enrollment applications are considered in the order received and after other applications have been processed. Students must also apply to attend Canton private schools. Each school can set up their own criteria for this process. They are not required by law to accept a child, though Canton private schools currently have a 100% acceptance rate. Canton actually has several academically competitive, top-notch charter schools within the township. And here's a list: Achieve Charter Academy, Canton Charter Academy, South Canton Scholars Charter Academy, Canton Preparatory High School. In addition, Canton currently has 14 private schools, ranging from preschool through high school. And here is a partial list: Crescent Academy International, Plymouth Christian Academy, All Saints Catholic School, Plymouth Canton Montessori, and of course there's many more. The decision to attend public, charter, or private schools is a very personal choice to be made by your family. As always, spend time visiting and investigating schools that you are interested in having your child attend. If you're considering school districts and want to know more about Plymouth Canton Community Schools as well, consider checking out my other video in this series, What is Michigan School of Choice? I hope that I've given you a lot to think about and that you've learned a ton from today's episode. Please subscribe to my channel today, as I will be releasing new videos every week on a new real estate topic. And tune into next week's episode, What is Radon Gas and Why You May Need a Mitigation System. As always, if you think you want to make a move in the next year, give me a call today and set up a consultation, as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. And don't worry, if I'm not able to personally assist you, I am well connected and can refer you to a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. This will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. You can also check out my other series on my YouTube channel on relocation, selling a home, buying a home, new construction, downsizing, buying and selling simultaneously, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.